You ever hear of a rib cap steak? It's the best part of the ribeye. Super tender, crazy flavorful. And if you know, you know. Today we're grilling it over charcoal, pairing it with fire roasted asparagus. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dan. Welcome to Making Bacon PD. And this is how you bring restaurant level steak to your own backyard. Stick around because I'll show you how a simple butter trick takes this steak to even the next level. We're starting with rib cap steaks. It's also called the spinalis. It's the outer cap of the ribeye. It's super marbled and insanely tender. First step, we're going to season it all over with kosher salt on all sides. And pop them in the fridge overnight to dry brine. That salt's going to work its magic. The salt is going to draw out the moisture and season the inside of the meat, not just the outside. Next day, set up your grill for indirect heat. This can be done on any grill. Today we're using charcoal. Take your steaks out of the fridge. Let them get to room temperature to ensure for even cooking. There's nothing worse than unevenly cooked steak. Hit them with some garlic powder and black pepper on all sides. Simple seasoning, but the dry brine has already laid the foundation for flavor. Now let's make some magic and elevate these steaks to the next level. Grab 1 stick of softened room temperature salted butter. Add in some minced parsley, garlic, basil, and oregano. Give it a good mix. Roll it up in some plastic wrap like a log and toss it in the fridge to firm back up. This is our finishing move. You ever made a compound butter before? If so, what do you put in yours? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. Maybe I can make some changes to mine. Now let's show them veggies some love too. Make sure you break off the hard bottom parts of the stem on the asparagus. Toss your asparagus with olive oil, then season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little lemon zest. That citrus pop at the end, oh, it's so worth it. You can add all those spices separately, or you can use a spice that has them all in it like I am today. Or you can season the veggies any way you want with your favorite seasonings. Recipes and links are in the description as always. I've got my charcoal grill running with a hot side and a cool side. We're searing these steaks first. Let them ride on each side until we get a good crust. Flare-ups are good. That fat dripping in those coals and flame kissing that meat just adds another layer of flavor. Flip and rotate until you get that crust on both sides. Once you get your desired crust, slide them over the cool side, and next toss the asparagus on the hot side. We want the asparagus charred, tender, but still have a little snap to them. Usually about 8 to 10 minutes. While the asparagus is cooking, take that log of gold out of the fridge and slice that butter into discs. Place a slice of that herb butter right on top. It's going to melt slowly into that steak as it finishes cooking and comes up to temp. Man, that's good. Pull your steaks once they hit around 127 to 130 internal. Tent them with some foil. That carryover cooking will take you up to a perfect 135. Plate it up with that asparagus and you're done. Juicy, tender, flavor bomb steak like you've never had before. Asparagus is buttery, garlicky, and has a nice snap. Perfect and easy weeknight meal. So to recap, dry brine your steak. Season simple, sear it hard, finish with compound butter, and pair it with grilled asparagus. Easy, delicious steak night upgrade with the king of steaks. What's your go-to steak cut? Drop it in the comments. I might grill it up in a future video. And if you're still here, you already know. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a chance to fire up something good. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. And as always, keep making bacon.